So today, I will be going to tell you about top 3 IDE for coding. First, let's understand what is an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It creates an environment that helps you to code. So number 1 in this list is Visual Studio. Visual Studio is one of the most popular IDE for coding. It contains auto-completion that helps you to code faster, and you can code in any coding language using this IDE. Number 2 in this list is Pycharm. Pycharm also contains auto-completion, but this IDE is only for Python programming language. Number 3 in this list is Intellij IDE. In this IDE you can code in any coding language with auto-completion feature, but you have to pay to use this IDE. So these are the top 3 IDE you can use for coding. Like the video if it helps you and subscribe the channel for more coding related videos.